Ever wonder what FPV plus shaders would look like in Minecraft? Well, it looks something like this.
Perfect.
So recently, I found a Minecraft FPV mod of all things. I know there is another one for Grand Theft Auto, so if you guys want to see that, I'm happy to make one about that. But it lets you basically fly a quad, just like the simulator in Minecraft, which is pretty cool. You can fly around your maps, you can fly around anywhere in the game. So that is extremely cool, and I never imagined doing it. It does require Forge, but that's pretty normal for most mods. And it's got a pretty easy setup process, so it works with most transmitters and even mouse and keyboard if you don't have one. It has Betaflight rates, which are really handy for using your real rates that you use in other simulators. Although I do say they don't feel quite as normal, but that just could be because the quad is set up in a different way. And then on top of that, you can fly different quads. You can set custom parameters for weights and also thrust produced. It also supports multiplayer, so if you have a server, you can set up drone racing in Minecraft, and you can even have racing leaderboards, which is pretty cool. If you guys want me to make a video on how to set this up and get it all running, I'm happy to do that. But it's pretty straightforward, and they have a good tutorial and whole wiki section on the web. So if you do that, you'll be pretty set. But it's more fun than I expected. Let's just say that. And it's definitely, if you don't have any simulators and you want to have a bit of a go flying around, I do have to say that the physics don't feel quite as right as what feels like in real life. But man, just flying around in Minecraft, it's really something I never expected to do. No, go out and check it out. It's on minecraftfpv.com, and you can also find it on CurseForge. That's the way I downloaded through. And I'll leave you guys with some footage of me flying around.